Hey, what up y'all? It's me, your boy Lil D, coming at ya from the den, and I'm bringing you one more DIY before Christmas comes. We're about a week away. Now I'm going to be making this wreath that is on the Haunted Mansion ride at Disneyland, and my boyfriend was the one who actually came up with this idea and made one for our niece, and it turned out looking really cute. I saw them selling one at the Disney store here in Arizona, and they were charging about $40 for this one. And although it looks cute and it looks pretty durable, the one we're going to be making today will cost you probably less than $10. The first thing you're going to need is a wreath, and you can get one of these at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, and they always have a 40% off coupon. And this one says on the tag it was $8, but I believe on the day that we bought it, it was 60% off all holiday stuff. So it looks a little raggedy now, but we're going to clean it up. For the eyes and the teeth, we're just going to be using some foam, and you can also get this at Hobby Lobby. It's just a soft foam that we're going to be gluing in place with a hot glue gun, which the glue will only cost you another $1. For the ribbon, we got this striped ribbon. I believe it was at Michael's. Again, use that coupon, and you could download the app and get a 40% off coupon, and that will save you some money here. And in the one in the Haunted Mansion, they have some of these little cranberries on the wreath to make it more festive and give it a little bit more detail. So we got some of these, and that's all the supplies we're going to need to make this. Thank you so much for watching this video. This tutorial literally only took me about 15 to 30 minutes depending on how picky you are, and those shapes don't have to be exact. The hardest part of this would be the bow, so get your parents if you're younger to help you with this step, but you can find tons of tutorials on YouTube. If you have any friends who are fans of Disney, go ahead and tag them in this video and leave a comment down below letting me know if you're gonna try this DIY. And I hope to see you guys in the new year, but thanks for watching. Okay, bye.